Hey guys, we have been working on surface area for a few days now, so most of you should have it figured out. Today's a practice. The next time you're back in the building, there will be an assessment on surface area, so get ready for that, please. I wanted to talk through how to find the surface area of this polyhedron on this slide so that if you need help, you can turn to this video and get some assistance. So if you remember this polyhedron, looking at it, the top and the base are exactly the same. So when you're figuring out surface area, you're going to figure out the area of each of those faces and then add them all together. And for our base, we have a length of 4 and a width of 2. So we're going to multiply 4 times 2, and the area just of the base of this polyhedron is 8 inches squared. So we're going to write that down because we're going to have another 8 inches square because the base and the top are identical. So we're already up to 16 inches squared just by finding the area of the base and the top. We're now going to look at the front and the back because we know those are going to have the same area as well. So for the front, we have 4 for the length and 3 for the height, or base and height, however you want to look at it. So we have a 4 and a 3. We're going to multiply those together and we're going to get 12 inches squared for the front and the back because those are identical sizes. The last thing we need to do is we need to figure out what is the area of both of those sides. So for this side, we have a base of 2 inches and a height of 3 inches. So we're just going to multiply those together. So you have 6 inches squared for the right side and 6 inches squared for the left side. The very last thing that you have to do to find the surface area of this polyhedron is add the area of the base, add that to the area of the top, add the area of the front and the back, and the area of the left side and the right side. So you're going to add 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 12 plus 6 plus 6. Don't forget, use those labels or I think you're talking about cookies. I hope this helped. Bye, guys.